Let me show you how to find out what your grade is on a test or a quiz. Take the number of questions you got correct and divide them by the number of questions there are on the test. For example, if there were 20 questions and you got all 20 correct, you would divide 20 by 20, which is 1. And that means that you got 100% on your test, or an A+. Let's do another one. Let's say that there were 20 questions on the test and you got 19 of them correct. 19 divided by 20 is 0.85 or 85%. So your grade would be a B. This time, let's imagine that there are 15 questions on the test. And let's say you get 12 of them correct. 12 divided by 15. That's 0.8, which is 80%. That's a B-. Let's do one more example with 15 questions on the test. This time, let's say you only got 7 correct. 7 divided by 15. That's 0.46 repeating, which could be rounded up to 47%. That's an F.